Hey, is that a Mac Classic? Oh, no, wait. It's much dumber than that. What the heck is that? Oh, huh. There she goes. So, that there is a credit unit from a Bally Bingo game. And I've rigged up a little circuit there that'll step it up and down sort of pseudo randomly, but not really very randomly. And it precesses down, which is to say that its overall movement is down, counting down. Eventually it counts all the way down, and then it runs up to, I don't know, 700 or something, where it just keeps going up until it gets up, and then it sort of toggles its way back and forth down again, sometimes going up and sometimes going down. I'm sure you're wondering why I built this, and I'm sure that I'm wondering why I built it too. It does actually also have a secret switch in case it gets stuck high for some weird reason to run it down. Anyhow, that's that thing.